Got original 1948 Buick Road Master. These are neat little radios. Some Momac. It's an AM radio. We've redone the gaskets, cleaned it up, repolished the face, background and all. We've done an Aurora Design conversion on it. It is 6-volt, negative ground. It has a AM FM stereo, auxiliary in, which is automatic, and Bluetooth. Hand-free phone calls, the whole 9 yards on Bluetooth. It's got a built-in 5x7 DVC stereo speaker. And it's hard for you to see on the camera, but right in here, right down there, we made it where you couldn't hardly see it. There's a LED there. It's a status LED. Changes multiple colors for whatever the radio's doing. It is a tuner. It's electric tuner assist. And they didn't send the push buttons or the knobs with it, so we'll kind of have to just check it out and make sure that it's working. We got it all wired up. Let's see if I can find something. Yeah, we'll use that right there. Right now you're on FM. Treble and bass like you've always had. You are my song. If you want to go to AM radio, you just simply turn the radio off and right back on. Takes you to AM radio. Off and right back on, takes you right back to FM.
And open the glass.
6-volt negative ground. You run 2 channels. That's what this speaker's taking care of. In stereo. We didn't want to put a lot of LEDs or nothing in here. All we did is the status. You can barely see it. That way the radio remains original, because I understand this car is completely original. But now she's gonna have a stereo she can count on. That's AM FM stereo. You got the regular toner like you've always had. Your auxiliary in is automatic. You'll get a 2-piece cable. This is one that you can mount you plug into the radio. Once you get it in, you mount that wherever you want to. All you have to do is plug in your male to male, which comes in the package, into a auxiliary in device, satellite radio, CD players, whatever you want, your phone. Of course, you can stream your music on Bluetooth from your phone. We'll demonstrate that. But if you want to plug in a device, this is all you do. Just turn it on. It automatically changes over.
Cinderella got to go to the bar. If you multiply hell times,
You could have heard it.
Auxiliary in device, the little LED's gone to green right there. That means you're on auxiliary. Anytime you're on it, you won't go back to radio, just simply turn whatever device you have on off. The radio will go silent in 20 seconds. It'll go right back to where we had it set, which is FM. We're going to let us do that. If you don't want to wait 20 seconds, just turn it off and right back on like you're cycling from AM, FM in between that 20 seconds, and it'll stay where you're at. But we're going to let it run its cycle. Back on FM.
Sullivan, The Tonight Show with Steve Allen. And
these are your presets. They go, these I've already preset a bunch of them, and they go, your knob goes over this and in. So when you want to preset a station, you pull your knobs out, pull this out, unscrew it, find your station, push it in, and then tighten it back up. Don't have the knobs, but anyhow, you cannot change channels with the push buttons on this, and unless you engage the tuner clutch.
Is curator of the Jim
So we have a separate hot wire outfit, this 6-bolt, and we know it's working because when you push this lever and you hear it click.
Well, it may be all right for you, Baskerville.
So all you gotta do is put the push button back on it, set your presets, and when you push it, just click, push it on in, and let go.
It all started when he was a kid in the 40s and saw TV at a friend.
Way FM, there's a line in this song that says, "Faith is my shield, his
That's
love
how you-
is my armor." It's so powerful because his love always
How
covers
you
you.
push
But your
buttons work.
shield, you gotta raise that up.
Right now we're gonna run our Bluetooth in. We're gonna let the voice assistants help us. You got a push button here that you can hide in the car wherever you want to, and all you have to do is you can work everything with your phone with the push button, just like any other car. Hold this down, bring Sirius up on your phone, tell it to call home, whatever you want to do. We're gonna do the initial pair up. Let the voice assistants help us. Once you get it paired up, every time you get in the car and turn the radio on, you have your phone, she will come on and say Bluetooth device connected. Let's get her to, let's log it up. We're gonna bring our phone up on Bluetooth. We're on it. Let's push the button down and hold it.
Ready to pair.
Showed up on her phone. All we're gonna do is tap on it. She'll tell us when it's done.
Pairing completed. Device connected.
Alright, we're paired up. So every time we get in the car and turn this radio on, she will find my phone. You gotta do the initial pair up though. Now we're gonna do a voice command. We're gonna go to My Music. This is your mic. It's on a plenty extension. You can get it close to you in the car. I normally put them in the radios, but there's not any spot in this radio to put one. Plus, you don't want it close to the speaker. So you just plug this in, run it around where you want it, like on the sun visor or down on the dash. They can hear it. Alright, we notice our button is pushed up. We're going to do a voice command. We're going to go to music on my phone. Hold it down. Play music.
Playing all songs. Shuffled.
Yep. We're going to music on my phone. So let's go, let's watch it how it works. Bring it up. If you want to advance your songs, you push the button one time. Twice to back up or repeat. That's how your Bluetooth works. A phone call comes in, it will override whatever you have the radio doing. Press the button one time and talk. When you're done, let the phone hang up, or you can press it twice to end the call. The radio goes back to doing whatever you had to do. Let's go back to radio. Hold the button down. Stop music. Put it in pause. Going right back to radio. That's how your Bluetooth and everything works.
Jared Stillman here from Jared the GM. I just want to ask.
Good sound little radio for a one stereo speaker deal. It's pretty nice. And you notice every time you get in your car and you have that radio off, and when you turn it on, if you have your phone, you've done the initial pair up. When you turn it on, she will come on and say device connected.
Eyewitness interviews with inanimate objects.
This is
Device connected.
Found her phone with lit
a
up.
recliner.
So, I'm taking my afternoon nap when suddenly...
It's original 1948 Buick Road Master
run out the door with the
with the Aurora Design conversion in it, Bluetooth. We went ahead and put a gasket on here because the other one was deteriorated.
But the Geico
And it's ready to go.
Get covered for personal property loss. Go to
I appreciate you letting me do it for you.
Affordable renters insurance
And I believe she'll last a long time. Everything will be labeled. Now on these on the 6-volt radios, we take the light, which is the backlight, you can see it running, And we've got a wire on here that'll be labeled for you. Run to your dash lights. We want to keep it off of the converter. If you don't, when you crank it up pretty loud, it'll want to dance with you. The light will flicker. So if you run it to your dash, that'll take care of that. There's no need of this light being on every time the radio's on. Only at night, so when you turn your dash lights on, this will come on and dim with your dash lights. So it's basically just put in, wire up the wires that I've got. The speaker, you got 2 channels, which is already being used, and it's ready to go.
Yes, Ed. Wood smoked ham, choice roast beef, real fresh.
We light on political rants and side old Coca-Cola.
Anyhow, I appreciate you letting me do it, and it's ready to go. Thank you.